Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this pink, purple, and yellow cut crease makeup look. And to start out this look, we're going to be using the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette. We're going to start by using this pink shade in the crease area. Then using the same palette, I use the darker red shade. Then using a Milani Concealer, I'm going to cut the creases, and in the outer corners making a wing-like shape. Next, using the same palette, we're going to use the yellow shade for the inner eye corner. Then for the middle of the eye, we'll be using the pink shade, blending it into the yellow. And finally, using the purple shade in the outer wing corners. For underneath the eye, we're going to use the same pink shade, and we're going to extend the purple down below as well. And for the inner corners, using the yellow shade. For my lashes, I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Healthy Lengths Mascara, and then topping that with false lashes later on. Here I'm using a light brown powder to contour my cheekbones, forehead, and nose area. Then for the highlight, I'm using the LA Colors Illuminating Enhancer in the shade Moonbeam. And for the lips, I'm using a NYX liquid lipstick in a pink shade. And that completes this yellow, pink, and purple cut crease makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.